This is the next example of using subgoal labels to evaluate an expression in the Java programming language. Let's look at the problem statement. Assuming that we have the following declarations, evaluate this statement. If it is invalid, give the reason. If it is valid, what is the value assigned to the variable? And note any possible side effects. The statement is lambda is assigned the value of alpha divided by kappa plus delta. Subgoal 1 says to determine the resultant data type of the expression. To do this, we look at the right-hand side of the assignment statement and determine the resultant data type. Alpha is an integer. Kappa is declared as a double. Delta is declared as an integer. Because of operation precedence, the division will occur before the addition. Therefore, we have an int divided by a double, which would result in a double, which is then added to an int. A double plus an int results in a double. Remember that double in an expression with any other numeric type would promote it to a double. Subgoal 2 is not used in this example. Subgoal 3 says to determine the value of the arithmetic equation or the expression. We have alpha divided by kappa plus delta. Substituting the values, alpha has a value of 2, kappa has a value of 3.0, and delta has a value of 3. So we get 2 divided by 3.0 plus 3. Because of operator precedence, the division comes first. So we have 2 divided by 3.0 would give us 0.66667. We add 3 to that, and then we get 3.66667. Subgoal 4 says to check the data types to ensure the data type of the expression on the right-hand side of the assignment statement can be copied into the thing on the left-hand side of the assignment statement. Looking on the left-hand side of the assignment statement, we have lambda. Lambda is declared as a double. The right-hand side of the assignment statement has a data type of double, and yes, we can assign a double to a double. 3.667 is then copied into lambda. Subgoal 5 is not used in this example. So the answer to the problem would be that the statement is valid and 3.667 is then assigned into the variable lambda. That is the end of this worked example.